I think the first car is going to flip over. What do you guys think? Is that what you want to see? You guys ready? Are you ready?
That sounds like
all right, this race, or this, whatever you want to call it, is on YouTube. There's like 5.5 million views on this. It's crazy.
I mean, it's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesomely crazy. You hear my voice in the background, it ruins the whole thing.
Shark, you just love yourself, don't you?
Today only. All right, here we go.
What is the questioning going on, you wonder?
Are you ready?
Discover to get the bumper hanging.
Oh, flip over. Here it is.
What's the name of it? Onward Express.
What do you guys think on the list? What?
Boo.
All right.
It was a good try. It was a good try. Paw Patrol.
No. Yeah. Not bad. Better than last week. Right, Brian?
What do you guys think?
On the list, Paw Patrol? No, all right. Woo, tough crowd tonight. Okay, all right, here we go.
Abel's No Way.
Oh, that was awesome. What do you think of that?
Come on, guys. You gotta boo louder. You let them know that
Yeah, you gotta boo. Come on, guys. All right, here we go. Gator McCluskey. Oh, what do you think of that?
Not bad.
No,
thumbs down. Show the thumbs down. Show that thumbs down,
I'm getting thumbs down.
All right, Green Monster.
All right, well, he had his foot in it. What do you guys think?
Oh, I saw double thumb down.
My two favorite judges right here.
Send it.
They are seasoned veterans of Car Wars. I recognize them. I'm Darkwing Duck cutting it. Nice. What do you guys think? No? All right. Wow, nobody on the list yet.
I mean, nothing.
What is going on?
Nothing. Oh, this is that guy who took out earlier on the tires.
Right.
He's a maniac. You should send it. Oh, what's that?
Definitely a minus for effort there. Not bad.
He hit the ramp. That's better than some, I guess.
Megadeth. Wow. What do you think of Megadeth, huh?
They can see it. It fires them up. I'm not joking.
Yeah. If you boo loud. Motors. 1013.
1013. Look, he's got the YouTube tag on top.
Wow. Oh, and the driver's okay. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Hold up. Here we go. Does he make the list? All right, now.
So I'm putting it on as 1013.
1013, that'll work. Remember that, 1013.
And that's one flip over, so we got one.
What do y'all think of that, huh? Pretty cool? Yeah, I agree. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, flip that car. Boom. Don't know if we'll be seeing him again. That front tire looked a little off. He might need an alignment, perhaps. Well worth it. Sacrifice the car for the flip over. We'll see.
That's a crash test. He's pumped you up.
Yup. We'll see if he lives up to his name.
Yeah. Does he make it on the list?
Put your hands together for crash test. Here goes, you drive on the track. Oh, 4. That doesn't count though, so we don't even.
It does. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does that make the list? What are they saying? I can't hear them.
No, I don't think so. Wait a second. Nick at Night squeezing in here. What is this?
Wait.
He's up. He's up. Both put your hands together. Put your hands together. He can hear you. He's got to avoid the tires. He's got the walls. Going through turn 1. Oh, look at that skill. What happened there?
Oh, wow.
Just running that edge a little too much there. Nick at Night. What do you think of that? Does that make the list? All right, we'll add Nick at Night to the list.
Crash Test and Nick at Night is our list at the moment. Here he goes, 007. He's got the windows open.
007. Oh, a little out of practice. All right, that's all right. We'll see him again.
Does that make the list?
Does that make the list, guys? I can't hear you.
Bob. Oh, Firefly.
All right, Firefly. Here he goes. He's up. Firefly's up. Oh, almost so close. Don't worry, he'll get it.
I can't, wait, how does it go from last week being around the, I guess you gotta get that sweet spot, right?
I guess so, Ryan.
Something like that. Hey, speaking of Britney, free Britney.
Destruction. I mean, when I did the ramp, I made it to the back straight, and then I had to drop
I
it.
literally don't remember you going over the ramp. I don't remember that.
I did.
I'm gonna call shenanigans 77. Move that hand.
Ooh, come on, guys.
Hey, fanboy, get ready.
All right. Captain America.
Love that.
Who's ready?
Get it, Captain.
Yeah. I think it's going over.
Why do they all like talking to him? Like, what are they talking about? Mark, you're
So how was
the
dinner?
pits guy. Like,
What'd you have for dinner tonight?
Yeah, did you get the burger? Did you get the fried dough?
Good.
Did you call
There
it?
you go. Lots of speed.
Oh,
Nice. That was pretty well. Hey, does that make the list? Oh, I think it does.
wait, guys, tell me, does that make the list? All right,
Yeah, it does. See? That was a Subaru with some serious height, but four wheels don't count. We got two.
Hey, who says they don't count?
I say they don't count.
Look at the tie-down
I'm
strap.
the boss.
Get out of here.
Oh, there goes the foot again.
I like it. From into the tie.
I saw that coming.
He did. Oh, and another one. Is that Magoo? Oh, he's going for tires.
All of them. He's hitting all of them.
I'm sure
All of them.
the trucks love fixing those later. Brass Monkey.
There you go.
What is he doing?
Brian, that's your van boy. Your van boy?
I am totally van
Hey,
boy.
did he make the list? Wait, no, seriously, does he make the list? Are you sure? That was awesome.
Very impressive.
Something smoking down there.
Oh, Nick at Night going again.
Here we go.
Look, hit the
Here,
gas.
nice speed.
Skirt.
Shots. Shoot.
All right, that was not
Try it
bad.
again. I think we'll give it another shot. I think an engine just blew up down there. That's not a good color of smoke. It's like yeah, something's going on down there. Dan, what's going on down there? All right, here he goes, Tom and Jerry. Oh, that was awesome. Yes? No, okay.
Maybe
Not
no.
awesome.
Not on the list, right?
No, not on the list.
Okay, just making sure. I didn't hear no boos.
Overruled if they said it was on the
I didn't
list.
hear no boos. Turbo.
All right, Turbo.
Bowen. No.
Yeah. Oh!
Hey.
Almost.
That was better than I thought. I'm not gonna lie.
Little sparks coming off the back.
Does that make the list? Does that make the list?
Turbo make the list?
Oh.
No. Sorry, Brian.
No.
007, here we go.
Is he gonna shut
That's
him
good, that's good.
Pierce Brosnan, not Sean
Can you break that down, please? Can you break that run down for
He
me?
was clearly not over his axis. Axis of evil.
Quartz.
I wouldn't totally boo him. Paw Patrol. Gonna take another lip at the lap. Lip at the lap, I don't know what that is. Lip at the lap.
Alright. Quartz Express, we're gonna do a little Harry Potter trivia.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter trivia.
Hello, Potter.
At the intermission.
Oh, Firefly.
Get ready to go. I got one.
Here goes Firefly.
I got one. Oh, what are they doing? Oh, are they doing this?
Oh, we got double-sided. Firefly, Big United.
Nick is just, what's
Well, Michelangelo, up 007, I'm sorry. I'm not going to have your music before you fall, I bet.
he's up,
Does that make the list?
Kinda.
That didn't sound really convincing. What do you guys think? Does that make the list? Alright, we'll put it on there.
Gator McCluskey.
God, I love that name.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's not bad. Did that make the list, guys? It would have made the list if he hit the wall, I think.
Alright.
But no. Little backward driving skills. All right, lots of cars left. We're still going here. We're still riding the ramp, folks. Damn boy, here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Come on, is this like...
Thanks, Martha.
Is that like a Batman thing? Martha.
Oh, all four.
Is that like a Superman Batman thing? Like...
Should that make the list?
No, get it out of here.
Okay, I agree.
Dunk.
All right, we love this guy.
Green Monster's what I've been calling. Green Monster.
What is this?
I don't know. But no. Boo!
What? No, that should make the list. Come on. Come on, Brian.
He launched on 4. What can you do?
Yeet! Yeet, go yeet! All 4 again. He does not want to wreck that nice Toyota, but that's okay. Because he wants to wreck it.
Get it.
He hit it hard, he just couldn't cut the
Get
wheel.
that wheel.
Yeah, exactly, Brian. We're like pros up here.
I mean, from up here, I know everything.
That's nice distance on the Subaru, but...
It really does get good distance.
Yeah.
But no, we don't count that?
No.
Okay.
Well, you can if you want. You can do anything you want, Brian. You're the boss.
Yeah, since when do you get to make up the rules? These guys tell us what makes the list.
That's true. That is true. All right. Captain America.
Fitting.
Ooh, wow. He hit that hard. That was awesome.
So much. Does he make the list though? He's on it.
Yeah, he's already on the list.
He's already on it, yeah.
77.
Boo him now. Remember, I just boo him.
Boo. I'll help you. Grass Monkey does it again.
So wait a minute.
What did y'all think of that?
Is that a different vehicle?
I am not sure.
Give it up.
Another quick exit.
Ooh, turbo. The delicate rollover for Turbo. I hate when you're right, Mark. You guys, what do you think? Does Turbo make the list? Our list is heavy.
That was pretty good. I was right here. I thought he was going to almost get over, but no, they're keeping the loader guy busy
He's like
tonight. That's a good
back
thing.
out.
So, Brian, tell me something. What number is that for flips?
I have to carry the 1, Byra 2, 5, absolute 0, but yeah, you're right now. 7.
7. And what I said.
Give it up. Here comes another car. Team Jerry not going to make the list though.
What did you say, Brian?
I jinxed him. Boom. Who was that?
Tom and Jerry. Yo, did he go on the list? Yeah, come on. He's got to go on the
Of
list.
course he does.
And he's okay, folks. The driver walks away.
Team Jerry. Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
Negative Nanny up there. four-wheel jump, but I tell you, all right, nice height.
What was the
Very good, little sparks.
jumped off?
Go back in the pits. 007 and Firefly is going to finish it off here. Let's see how far they can go. Put your hands together when they hit that ramp. Cheer them on. Let's go. Oh, so close.
No.
And here goes Firefly. Go Firefly. Nice speed. Nice approach. Oh, a big turn in. Here it is. Oh. A little bit too much of an angle there.